Guys, welcome back to our third installment of formatting text using HTML. Big shout out to my year 7s today.
Yay!
Shh, be quiet guys. Okay, so we should have the basic structure for your web page from the last couple of lessons. If not, this is sort of like a template for you to get started. So you have your doc type, HTML, you have your start tag, HTML, and if you notice I have a start, an end, same for the head tag and the body. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some extra things to our to formatting our text, and we looked at this is what we're looking at here. So we're going to use the font tag to change the style of text we're using, the size, and the color. So you should follow along now. So what we do is we go down to where it says body, go after the body tag into the line between it, and you start with the angle brackets, which are beside the shift key on the keyboard, or the M key on the Mac keyboard. So we type in the word font, and then we need to go and add in our face here, face equals speech marks. And this one is called Berdana. That's correct. And then we have two more. Size equals speech marks again, 5. And then we have color. Remember, it's spelled the American way. Equals, I'm just going to go for red this time. Okay. Now you'll notice that the text below here is now gone red. That means there's some sort of problem with this text here. So to fix that, we put in our finish bracket here, and you'll see automatically it'll pop up with the end tag. So we can just type in some text here. Okay. Now this is very important. You must make sure you've saved it with this extension. So I'm going to save this one. The first page we did was index.html. This one we're going to call lesson 3. So we're going to file, save as, and we're going to call it lesson 3. Then we're going to put in a full stop, and then we're going to put in HTML. You notice I didn't put in any spaces or any other things in there. It should be all one word, .html. And I have it in my folder here called Year 7 HTML, and I'm going to save it. Okay, I'm going to go to that folder on the desktop. Just leave that down there so you can see it. So desktop, and you should have Year 7 HTML, and I should have lesson 3 here. Okay, so you'll notice that it's all we've got everything here. The body tag, start and end. You'll notice the structure as well. I've indented everything, so it's nice and easy to find out where everything is. So now I'm going to check what it looks like. So double click on here, and you'll see I have some text, and it's red, and it should have this text or font style. Okay, so let's see. Leave it there.